Hello everyone, I'm Jodi and I'm teaching Astronomy 1010, Life in the Universe. I started this course about 12 years ago because, well, I am an astronomer by background. I'm not currently a research astronomer, but actually an education researcher learning how people learn in digital environments. And I'm been interested in online learning for a long time and have tried to make this course as engaging as possible and productive as possible in this dynamic field of astrobiology or life in the universe. Um, it is a changing field, and one reason why it's so well suited to an online course is because so many of the internet based resources are where you're going to get a lot of the information. Um, it's up to you guys to work together, and I'll give you some guidance, but to establish what makes a scientifically credible resource on the internet, and how do you extract the information from that article to know what the author or scientist was claiming and what evidence they're using to make that argument. That's how science is done. Scientists make evidence-based reasoned arguments, and that's the biggest thing I'd like you to come away from with this course with is an idea of what is a scientific argument, what makes a valid scientific argument. Um, there are three components to this course. There are assignments, discussion, and papers, a term paper. The assignments, there are three different assignments spread out throughout the semester. And in discussions, there's one for every session. Session runs about 2 weeks. And the discussions are a place where you and a group of classmates find and discuss articles together. I read every part of the discussions, but I try not to involve myself because I used to find people would always address me and talk to me, and I don't want you to talk to me. I want you to work it out with each other and learn from each other. So that's a place where you should be asking questions, providing information, doing some research, and advancing the discussion. Read about that in the discussion assignment area. I talk more about that. And then finally, there's a term paper where you put it all together from the whole semester, things you've learned from the articles, from the textbook, from the assignments, and there's a very strict format to the term paper and the assignments. That brings me to plagiarism. The assignments and paper are set up to make sure to reduce the amount of plagiarism. It's been a problem in this course before, and I have a zero tolerance policy. If I see an old format to an assignment or see two papers that are very similar or get a paper with substantive amounts cut and paste from the internet, it goes right to the registrar. I don't even bother trying to work it out. It is a disciplinary issue. I have no time for that. So please do your own work, do high quality work. It won't be a problem. And so all the information is on the session pages at the left-hand navigation bar. In the session pages, there's sessions 1 through 7. It'll have the instructions for the assignments and the discussion and anything that's due for that session. I think that's everything. I hope you have fun. A lot of people say they learn more than they expected in this course. Some people even say they learn more than any other course at St. Mary's, which is funny for me because it's a science elective. But I really hope you guys enjoy it and learn a lot. Thanks. See you in the discussions.